Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a midweek update for Thursday, July 7, 2022. If you look at the overall the market, even the SP 500, after they found a support to the market, the last couple of days continue to push it higher. So right now we are still not out of the wood yet. We have a strong rebound here. That's the first sign of potential of the market be able to come back and test the downtrend line here. If the next week will be able to punch to this level, that will give you the good thing that the market will be able to punch to this level and continue to go higher. But if we fail to make another high over here, then the market is still have a potential to put it back down also. So let's see that the investor and institution, and they will come back to the market, and then we'll be able to tell by next week. So right now, in the short term, the market is still continue to push it back up to the upper downtrend line here, and then we will watch out carefully to see what they're going to do next here. Uh, so if you look at the Nasdaq, it also put it back up, but we still don't have a high yet. So we are still testing at this resistance sell zone level here. Same thing like a Dow, it also gets the problem at the sell zone, and the Russell 2000 also gets stuck at the sell zone. So this is a very important area for the SP 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the Russell 2000 need to clear the Dow trend line in order to continue to go higher. So at you look at the crude oil at after they break a support, like I told you last couple of weeks, and market continue to put it back up. They retest, they fail, and continue to go lower. So right now they have some support in the short term. They try to put it back up, but the overall trend is still in the downtrend right now. Okay, so you have to be careful. So if this one fail to put it back up, they will continue to rip lower. If you're looking for the gold is also collapse after they fail to hold on to the support here and continue to go to the next level of support, which is over here. Now, if you look at the Bitcoin after they found a support here and then they try to buy back up, we still have a lot of resistance at 24,500 there. Same thing like Ethereum, so they try to put it back up. So in the short term, we're looking for some buy to fill up this gap here or to test the downtrend line also. If you look at the volatility index, you can see that the wicket get crushed to the downside. So that's a good sign for the market. So right now they are right at the support. Either the big give up and continue to go lower, then the market will go higher, or they hold up here and put it back up, and then the market will have a trouble at the downtrend line, like I just showed you on the previous slide there. Now look at the 10-year Treasury note. So the interest rate they're coming down, but the last 2 days they try to put it back up. However, they have a strong resistance here. So as long as they don't pump and break through this line here, they still have potential to snap it back down. Okay, and it helped down a little bit on inflation. As you see that a lot of commodity they also get crushed because that will help the cool down the inflation a little bit also. Now let's take a look on 11 sector of SP 500. So the material is trying to rebound at a support, but they still have a lot of work to do. So overall, they are still in the bearish, but short term, they try to push it back up. The communication services also try to gain momentum. This is the first time they'll be able to break a downtrend line. So in the short term, you can see this one will continue to push it up a little bit there. The energy sector is also collapsed here, but they have a support at this level. So probably in the short term, you can see they rebound, but the trend is still in the downtrend here. Okay, they have a support right here. So let's see how far they can go, how far they can push it back up. But I think they're losing momentum already. So you have to watch out for this. Financial, it also try to put it up, but the trend is still bearish. The industrial, it also tried to build up the first high low here, So we need another high here to fill up the gap here, or even a gap up there. The technology, it also found a support here. Now they buy back up. Okay, so we need to clear this high here in order to fill up another gap, or they need to test the upward resistance right there also. The XLP, which is the consumer stable, after the breakout, the pullback, and now they continue to head up. So let's see if they're able to take back the control here in order to move higher. Otherwise, this one will be a strong resistance for them also. Utility is very strong to move back up, but they try to get stuck in the gap here and then they slam it down. So right now they are in the, because they run too fast here, so they are in the choppy mode here before they can find another momentum up. The real estate is try to rebound after the interest rate came down a little bit, but now the last two they put it back up. But this guy still hold tight, so if they can clear this area here, they will get up to the next level of resistance up here. Okay, the healthcare it also gets momentum after the breakout pullback. Now if they can clear this area here, we will get up to this level up here or up here. Okay, consumer discretionary is also stabilize the buy zone. All we need to clear up this area here in order to move up and test the upper bound there. Okay, so overall the market try to turn around. Okay, but we still need a lot of big boy like Apple. So the Apple, you can see it clearly. They've been able to gain some momentum in the last couple of days after the breakout here, and they continue to take over. And then if they continue, if the Apple continue to push it back up, then that will help the S&P 500 to move higher. Amazon is also trying to clear up this area here so that they can put it higher. Microsoft, they are ready to break out this level here in order to move higher there. Google, pretty strong, as you can see, last 3 days, they've cooled back 2 times to test the buy zone. They hold it. Now they are ready to clear that area here and continue momentum to the upside. Nvidia semiconductor still fall behind, but the last couple of days they also try to rebound. Let's see it. They can snap back to upper bound there. Okay, Netflix still have a lot of issue here, even though they try to rebound a little bit, but they need to clear that area here in order to move higher. Tesla, it also gets stuck at the downtrend line here. So Tesla need to clear that area here in order to move higher. Okay, Meta also another stock that try to break out here in order to get up and retest the upper bound there. All right, so so overall, you can see the market is trying to put it back up and retest the downtrend line here. If we be able to break out this level here, that's the first sign of potential. Okay, market will continue to go higher. But if they fail at this level, then definitely we have to reevaluate to see what they want to do next year. But we see a major divergence here, so hopefully this one at least they can put it up. Okay, and then continue for the upside, even though we are still in the downtrend technically, but in the short term we're looking for the rebound and we can trade in the short term trade. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Let's see where the market heading to, and I will continue to update you for the weekly market forecast. And take care and good luck to you.